Soft moonlight on a quiet road. You pull me in without a word told. Your hoodie smells like summer rain, and suddenly I'm warm again. You laugh a little, eyes on mine, and everything feels by design. I swear the stars lean in to hear every word you whisper near. I don't know how you do that thing where you make my heart forget to think. 'Cause when you look my way, the world slows down, like we're the only two souls in this whole town. Your voice is soft, but it hits so deep, like a secret only my heart can keep. I don't know what tomorrow's gonna say, but tonight feels right when you look my way. Your hand brushes mine just barely there, but it sends a spark straight through the air. You smile like you know what you do to me, and boy, it's sweet as honey tea. You talk about dreams you wanna chase, and I see forever in your face. Maybe it's early, maybe it's fate, but something about you feels worth the wait. I don't know how you do that thing where you make my heart forget to think. 'Cause when you look my way, the world slows down. If you ever wonder what I'm feeling inside, it's the way you make the night feel wide. If you reach for me, I won't pull away. I've been hoping